Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Wilfred. Come join me as we explore the beautiful journey of life. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, please don't forget to like and subscribe on the below. Guys, today on Will's Table, I'm going to show you how to prepare a quick and easy salad. So relax, enjoy, and let's get started. For today's salad, I'm going to be making cucumber and tuna salad, but I'll be mixing with cherry tomato and we have the chickpeas. Alright, these are ones of my favorite. I like chickpeas a lot. Okay, so as you can see, I already prepared all the ingredients. Okay, here we have lemon juice, which we'll use it as a dressing for the salad sauce. Okay, so basically, since I already prepared the cucumber, okay, I'm going to put it on the bar. 1 second. Okay, pretty much. And we have the cherry tomato, right? And the chickpeas. So basically, I didn't open the chickpeas yet. Before I put the chickpeas in to combine together, I don't like to use the water. I prefer only just to have the chickpeas by itself. Okay. So it's just an option. If you want, you can be able to use, but for me, I don't prefer to use the water. Okay, so here we go. Okay, I'll put like 2 cans the chickpeas. The tuna also, with the tuna also, you have an option. If you want, you can use any type of tuna. But most important, if you also you have an option, you can be able to put it with the sauce inside the cup. Okay. But me, I don't like also to use it. I just want it plain because I will make my own sauce. Okay, as a base for the tuna. So this one you have to remove. This is chunky, so I have to basically release. Okay, so that's it. If you can see, it's not pretty much complicated. Once you combine everything together, okay, you have an option of mixing first, okay, and that one I'll be showing you in a short while. All right. So I have the one to mix the tuna. Okay. So guys, basically for the sauce, I like to prepare. I put the lemon juice with a bit of mustard and salt and a bit of sugar. Okay. And I'm going to add a bit of water. Time you can be able to take it. So this is I put the lemon juice with mustard and a bit of salt and sugar. Okay, this is just to be able to prepare the base for the sauce. Okay. Okay. So the sauce is ready. I'm just gonna mix it roughly, and I'm gonna repeat the same procedure. Okay. So once you mix the sauce, you just have to repeat the similar procedure. And I will also repeat regarding the sauce, okay? You need just to measure the portion of the people, and like the sugar you can put like one spoon, one big spoon, and salt you can just put only a little bit for tasting, okay? So I'm going to open. All right, and you can see we already have our salad. It looks very nice, very nice, guys. Okay. Alright. Guys, as you can see, the food is ready and I'm about to enjoy my healthy salad. I hope you liked watching the video and make sure to watch the next episode of Will's Table.